Welcome back, everybody. It's a new year, a new video. Unfortunately, in this video, I find myself without audio. Came to visit my buddy Gary here, and he's got a nice collection of cars, nice collection in his garage. The star of the show here is the '69 Roadrunner, Gary's first car, actually. This was born as a 383 4-speed car. Gary's had this car forever. Decided to have it professionally restored as a retirement gift to himself. This car still retains all the original badging, the original colors as it was when it was new. Was a 383 4-speed car, and today it's a 500-inch 4-speed. Lots of late model tech in this one. You see it still retains the 383 badging. Hotchkiss suspension on this one, 17-inch wheels. There's that badging. Largely appears as it was when it was new, and I kind of like that. Gary didn't stray from the factory appearance of the car. Shows very nice. This made its debut at the Dragons Car Show 2 seasons ago. We'll get Gary to open the hood for us here. So what started out as a 383 is now a 500-inch. It's a stroked 400. The Sniper fuel injection, aftermarket aluminum heads, and intake manifold. Very sanitary engine bay. Beautiful pulley system there. All billet aluminum. Very tastefully done. Also Wildwood disc brakes all around. As I mentioned, Hotchkiss suspension, coilovers. All the latest tech in this car. And Gary drives this. He gets out to many shows with this car. He drives it everywhere. It's going to be in a drag and drive event next summer. And that was the whole purpose of the build. And to enjoy it. And that he does. Still retains the 383 Roadrunner air cleaner, machine valve covers, MSD ignition, aluminum rad. Gary enjoys the car. Took it to Performance Plus recently. Dynoed out at over 550 horse at the rear wheels, and it's over 600 at the crank. The engine makes a lot of power. The folks at Performance Plus were actually able to find an extra 100 horsepower just by tuning the fuel curve in the car. Yeah, lots of love went into this one. And he's had 2 full seasons to shake all the bugs out of it. He's had a lot of fun with this thing. He mentioned here that the some of the purists won't probably appreciate the holes in the air cleaner. No harm, no foul. And there's that billet pulley system on the front of the engine. Electric fans. Still has its original beep beep horn. Beautiful car. And there's that Wildwood Master. As I mentioned, Wildwood disc brakes all around. Those are 17-inch wheels, dog dash hubcaps. I can't remember the Nitto tires, possibly. Nitto on the back. Lots of rubber under this car. As I mentioned, a 17-inch wheel, steel wheel, dog dash hubcaps. It looks cool. Sway bars front and back, Hotchkiss system. Frame connectors. And Gary mentioned that it's very rigid. The body is now very rigid compared to how it was when it was new. So the paintwork is very well. Super nice paint job on this car. Original factory colors. It's going to show us the passenger side. That is a saddle bronze, I believe it's called. Original factory color, bench seat, 4-speed car. All new except for the door cards are actually factory originals. They just required some cleaning. They show like brand new. As does the dash. Some aftermarket gauges. For the most part, the interior appears as it was when it was new. Beautiful car. I have driven this one. I did align this one for Gary when it was fresh build. Very comfortable, very nice driving car. Move around to the driver's side. I'm going to look at things on the driver's side of the car. There we go. Very tastefully done. And he's showing us that the horn does work. That beep beep horn is there. That is a nice retirement gift. If that doesn't make your pants tight, I don't know what will. Just moving across the garage here, he's got an actual barn find 56 Chevy 210. This one was found in a barn, literally, with 30,000 original miles on it. So Gary fell in love with this. He is a former 567 Club member. He does have a 55 in another garage. He's got several cars in his collection, actually. And the plan for this is just to clean the car up, get it, all mechanically sound, and just enjoy it. And one thing that's unique about this one is its engine. It's the V8. 256, I forget what they call these now. It's a high output, or I believe that's what they call it. Not very common in the four-door sedans. More common in the Bel Air trim lines. So that's a nice find. All around nice car. One of the more solid 56 Chevys you'll find. He's already upgraded the disc brakes on the front. He's got some wide whites there on the front, on the car, front and rear. Set of brand new radials. He's slowly picking away at that one. That'll be on the streets of Saskatoon in the near future. So So we take a look at the rest of Gary's garage. He's gotten into metal art. He's taken a course and bought himself a machine, and he's well on his way. He's making all kinds of cool panels. Bead rolling is a super cool art, and he's got some talent. These are nice panels. Flames. And he's got some collectibles around the garage as well. It's certainly nice to visit Gary. Get a look at some of his cars. We're going to have to do another video in the future and get to see other cars in his collection, and also, you know, hear Gary in his own words speak about his collection. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope everyone had a great New Year's. Appreciate it. And we'll see you guys next time. Hopefully we'll have audio in the next video. Thanks for watching.